Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio with you. In the previous lesson, we learned how to knit long and short stitches. Here we have the short stitches we made, and this is the long one. Who hasn't seen the lesson yet? Please, I will leave a link below the video for you. Today, we will learn how to knit stitches with a yarn over. How is this done? First, I will simply move the edge stitch to the right needle. I will knit to the center. Here we will make the yarn over stitch. Now, I will knit according to the pattern with knit stitches. Here is how to do the yarn over stitch. We make a yarn over, needle towards us, yarn away. And we will slip the next stitch with the right needle. From right to left, that is, simply transferring it to the right needle. Next, I continue to knit according to the pattern. Mine are knit stitches. We turn the work. Here I will knit purl stitches. I will reach our center. Here we have reached our yarn over and slip stitch. Now these two stitches are somewhat crossed, they turned out that way. We will knit them with a regular classic purl stitch. That is, just like all our other stitches. But we will knit them together, counting as one stitch, just like that. Next, I will finish knitting purl stitches. In the next row, I will repeat the yarn over stitch. I will also reach the center. Here, I will again make a yarn over. I will slip my stitch from the left needle with the needle moving from right to left. That is, like this. Next, I will knit according to the pattern. We turn the work. I have here classic purl stitches. Here's my yarn over and slip stitch, 2 cross stitches. We will knit them together as purl. I will knit several rows this way, and let's see what we get. I knitted several rows this way. So in the knit rows, I made a yarn over and slipped the stitch in the center. And from the purl side, I knitted the yarn over and slipped stitch together as purl. This part here, this is how our stitches turn out. I think everything was clear. If something is unclear, ask questions. I will try to answer them. Subscribe, like, and we will meet in the next sessions.